So, good morning everyone. In today, in today's session, we have to cover our third unit, that is GPS and GNSS. Okay, GPS stands for Global Positioning System, and GNSS, that is Global Navigation Satellite System, that we have to cover in today's lecture. Okay, we will see each topic one by one. Okay, first we have to discuss about GPS and GNSS. ठीक आहे. आता ह्या थर्ड युनिटमध्ये आपल्याला काय आहे, थर्ड युनिटमध्ये टोटली ग्लोबल पोझिशनिंग सिस्टीम अँड global navigation satellite system that we have to study in today's lecture. Okay, in this unit we have to discuss about introduction of GNSS, and there are different types such as RNSS, GPS, then again GPS component, differential between GPS, types of GPS tracking, application of GNSS in surveying, mapping and navigation. That all point we have to cover in today's lecture. Okay, ठीक आहे. तर आपल्याला या आजच्या लेक्चरमध्ये हे सर्व काही बघायचं आहे. ठीक आहे. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग वी विल जस्ट मुव्हिंग टुवर्ड्स द इंट्रोडक्शन. ठीक आहे. आपण जस्ट चालू करण्या अगोदर जस्ट मी तुम्हाला हिस्ट्री ऑफ मॅपिंग अँड सर्वेइंग तुम्हाला सांगतो. मॅपिंग कशी असतात, सर्विंग काय असते, जस्ट वी हॅव टू सी इन टुडेज लेक्चर. ओके, फर्स्ट मॅप वेअर मेंटल मॅप्स यूज फॉर नॅव्हिगेशन. ठीक आहे. जो आपला मेंटल मॅप होता तो आपण फर्स्ट यूज फॉर नॅव्हिगेशन. इंडस व्हॅली सिव्हिलायझेशन हॅड अ सिस्टम ऑफ अंडरग्राउंड ड्रेनेज. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट वन, अबाउट 500 years ago the Babylonians produces the property description and simply property maps on the stone tablets. ठीक है, tablets. Next one, first known surveying by ancient Egyptian used to establish the property concern destroyed by the flooding or Nile. About 2000 to 2500 years ago, Greek and Roman surveyed and mapped their new settlement with a great degree of precision using methods that change very little up to this century. Instrument chain, tape, theodolite, compass, level, TS, classical methods, there is a triangulation, trilateration, 19th or 20th century, line of sight required. Okay, these are just mapping and surveying. These are the history of mapping, surveying. Okay, so नेक्स्ट वन, ब्रीफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ नॅव्हिगेशन. ठीक आहे. नॅव्हिगेशनची काय हिस्ट्री असणार आहे. ठीक आहे. द प्री हिस्ट्री प्रेझेंट द सेलेस्टियल नॅव्हिगेशन ओके फॉर लॅटिट्यूड, पुअर फॉर लॉन्जिट्यूड अंटिल द ॲक्युरेट क्लॉक इन्व्हेंटेड इन 1760. ओके. लँडमार्क बेस्ड नॅव्हिगेशन, स्टोन, ट्रीज, मॉन्युमेंट्स, सच टाइप ऑफ लोकल यूज. Okay, such a type of local navigation system is to be used. 13th century there is a magnetic compass. Okay, in 13th century there is a magnetic compass. In 1907 there is a gyro compass. Okay, next one, 1912 there is a radio direction finding. Then in 1930 there is radar and initial navigation. Okay, inertial navigation. In 1940 and 60 there is a Loren Abbey very low frequency radio based. Okay, next one, there is 1950 to 70 high frequency radio based. Again 1970 there is a radio based transit. Development of GPS in 1980s, there is a GPS, GLONASS. Okay, GNSS conceptualization, ELONAR, GLONASS resumes conceptualization of receivers with GNSS and all that. Okay, these are the just brief history of navigation. Next one, there is a global positioning system. As we know, there is a GPS, global positioning system. Okay, history of GPS, there is a different satellite, different satellites are moving in orbit. Okay, our system fully operational, that is the global positioning system. ठीक आहे. या ग्लोबल पोझिशनिंग सिस्टीममध्ये असतात. हे डिफरंट कुठे कुठे यूज होतं, नॅव्हिगेशन सर्व्हिस फॉर नॅव्हिगेशन सर्व्हिसेस असतील फॉर आर्मी ट्रूपर्स वगैरे. त्याच्यानंतर रिअल टाईम 3D पोझिशनिंग असेल त्याच्यासाठी यूज करतो आपण. ठीक आहे. ह्या डिफरंट सेक्टरमध्ये आपण हे यूज करतो. नेक्स्ट वन, देर इज अ सॅटेलाइट नॅव्हिगेशन. सॅटेलाइट नॅव्हिगेशन सिस्टम इज द सिस्टम दॅट यूज सॅटेलाइट टू प्रोव्हाइड ऑटोनॉमस जिओस्पॅशियल पोझिशन. एक्झाम्पल, आपल्याला जे जिओस्पॅशियल पोझिशनिंग पाहिजे असेल त्यासाठी आपण हे सॅटेलाइट नॅव्हिगेशन सिस्टीम यूज करत असतो. त्याच्यानंतर ग्लोबल असेल, नोस्टार GPS, GLONASS, BEODO, Galileo. These are the regional IRNS, QZSS. These are some satellite navigational system that we are using right now. Okay, global navigation satellite system. Just look at this GPS using USA. Okay, next one there is a GLONASS, Galileo, BODO. Okay, these are some global navigation satellite systems that are using different countries, different places in the earth. Okay, the three segments. If you see if you see the basics of GPS, okay, we are just looking this as a introduction part. Okay, आपण हे फक्त इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट बघतोय, यामध्ये जास्त काही नाही, जस्ट आपण याचे काय इंट्रोडक्शन बघतोय. व्हॉट इज GPS, GNSS. वी विल सी ईच अँड एव्हरी पार्ट इन डिटेल वाईज. ओके, so the next one there are different segments of GPS: space segment, control segment, monitor station, user segment, ground antennas. Okay, these are some segments of GPS. Okay, space segment, control segment, and monitor station, that is user segment. Okay, these are some segments that are used in global positioning system. Okay, next one there is a we have to discuss about in detail wise, that is GNSS, that is global navigation satellite system. We have to totally discuss about global navigation satellite system. Okay, GNSS stands for, as I shown here, GNSS stand for global navigation satellite system. GNSS consists of three main satellite technology. GPS US satellite system, GLONASS Russian satellite system, Galileo European satellite system, BODO it is a satellite navigation system of China, Indian regional navigation satellite system. Okay, these are some satellite systems that are using GNSS. Okay, some satellite techniques that are already using GNSS. We have to discuss about it. Okay, also the basics of GNSS is that the standard term for satellite navigation system that allows autonomous global geospatial positioning is known as global navigation satellite system. A standard term for satellite navigation system that allows autonomous global geospatial positioning is called global navigation satellite system. It is also definition of GNSS. Okay, you all have to keep in your mind. Okay, two important points to understand the GNSS are: first, navigation and satellite based positioning. Okay, while if you are understanding the GNSS, that you should always know that it's a 2 points that always you have to keep in your mind, that is navigation and satellite based positioning. You always know navigation, it means it is defined as the process of monitoring and controlling the movement of craft or vehicle. What? Navigation is nothing but the process of monitoring and controlling the movement of craft or vehicle or person from one place to other place within the specific framework, particular framework. Okay, what is navigation? You all have to monitor. Okay, you all have to monitor or control the movement of craft, vehicle, or person from one place to another place. Okay, that is nothing but the navigation. And second is nothing but the satellite based positioning. Satellite based positioning, that is, first one we see navigation. What? Navigation. Okay, okay, that second one is nothing but the, what is second one? There is a satellite based navigation positioning. Okay, that is nothing but the satellite based positioning. Okay, these are the second two terms that we have to keep in your. Satellite based positioning is the process of determination of position of observing site on land, at sea, in air, in a space by means of artificial satellite. Okay, what is satellite based positioning? We all have to determine the position of observing sites on land, on sea, or in air, or in space. That is all done by satellite based positioning. Okay, you all have to keep in your mind. Next one, these are some global navigation satellite system that we are using, that is GPS US based satellite. Next one, there is a GLONASS, that is used by the Russian satellite system. Next one is Galileo, it is used by UK, European countries. Those are using, these are the BIDU navigational satellite system, that is China based. ठीक है, ये चाइना यूज करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, आवर इंडिया इज यूजिंग इंडियन रीजनल नेविगेशनल सैटेलाइट सिस्टम. ओके, these are using by our country. Just a minute, we have to cover some few points in between it. Okay, next one, there is a need of GNSS. What is need of GNSS? What we have to cover? Need of GNSS. What is the need of GNSS? If anyone can be able to understand, you will get to understand what is need of GNSS. Okay, it is GNSS first primary use for a defensive purpose. What? First primary use that we are using GNSS first for primary purpose. Okay, first for primary purpose. Primary purpose. Okay, for what purpose we are using this? For primary purpose. Okay, next one, satellite navigation system also used for different applications such as navigation. First one, that is most important, that is navigation. We are seeing the need of GNSS in this. First we are using for defensive purpose, second one for navigation purpose, navigation, as we know, navigation. Okay, third one, there is a also it is time synchronization and transfer, for time synchronization and transfer. Okay, for this purpose we are using this. Also next one, there is a services that depending upon user location, surveying purpose we are using. For GIS, search and rescue operation, geophysical science are number of 7. Okay, next one, there is a, in the field of wildlife management, tracking devices are utilized, asset tracking, in fleet management tracking, road pricing, media services that are depending upon one location. Okay, all these points are considered in GNSS. These are the application or need of GNSS. ओके, हे कशाचं आहे? GNSSचं ॲप्लिकेशन असेल, नीड असेल, फॉर दॅट पर्पज वी आर यूजिंग. ठीक आहे.